Sabi niya, ano yun? Di ko gets.
Parang gusto niya na
And
parang
also,
si Justin.
did you know why we chose Aruma?
Huh?
Because she's Aruma. She's Aruma.
Okay na yan, magbuling na yan.
And did you know that since we released the Indonesian version of Mapa, soon we will perform that. But for today, just for today, for this very special day, we're going to perform the English version of Mapa. Sorry. I thought there's no
Baka
English
nakutuloy
version
ako
of
na
Mapa.
mag-practice. Hindi ka ba sa sample?
Mother,
Kung ano naman nagsasabi.
yes! I thought there's an English version, but thank you for supporting the latest release, the Mapa Indonesian version. I hope you can listen to it. So those people who haven't heard it yet, so yeah. But for today, for this very special day, this is for you, Mapa.